made it to a person called Daniel on Facebook, and I've driven 17 miles to come here, and he's the nicest person, and even if he doesn't fix the bike, it's just nice to meet someone who's caring enough on a Sunday to help me out. He's got this beautiful garage here in next to his house, and he's gone to make me a coffee and some cake, which is very kind, but hopefully he'll be able to fix the motorcycle, and I'll be able to continue this trip without worrying about dying or crashing. This is an example to Ratka motorcycles about how you should behave. This is not even this person's responsibility, and he's taken it upon himself to invite me and help me out. So thank you, Daniel, so much for welcoming me into your beautiful garage. And yeah, finally some rescue. I will be forever grateful. I mean, for a start, this location is something special. This is in the middle of nowhere, and there's Harleys all over the place here. A lovely workshop, and I've also been served some homemade cake made by his mum. It's too much. You don't expect people to do this much, but yeah, I really don't know what to say. All I can say is I'm very grateful, and yeah, thank you.
Now we need to clean up everything. It will be much easier to see. The complex Riese. It was also the place that there was a huge underground complex. They were producing V1 and V2 rockets.
Okay.
They were using those rockets to bomb England.
Oh, okay.
It's actually a huge facility. If you want to explore all of them, you need to spend one day. The most advanced technology were kept in secret, probably in the Area 51. Snow is falling down. Do we have a Christmas now? Or what? Actually, you know what? This is something typical, because there's nothing else to cover it from water.
Yeah.
Even, you know, for example, I don't know, do you use salt on the roads during winter in the UK?
Definitely. I use the bike all year round.
Yeah, you know? So actually, you know why this happened.
Yeah. Who would have thought this? Here I am having my bike repaired, watching the mechanic on his phone, singing like a professional. So I've got it on video, and he's there too. My wife is gonna laugh. What's the chances of that, eh? I don't know what it means, but it sounds good. Who would have thought we're gonna meet a singing mechanic, eh? This is awesome. What a lovely experience in a lovely place with an awesome family.
You can search for translation for that song later.
Yeah? Yeah.
Of course. It's Tagalog. It's Filipino song.
What's it called? Can you say the name slowly?
Juan Carlos Buwan.
Okay, I'll look it.
Buwan.
It's a Philippine song.
It is a famous one. I know also Hanggang San. Hanggang San is very beautiful.
Another Philippine song.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's very beautiful.
A Polish mechanic that sings beautiful Filipino songs.
Now I'm learning Bisaya.